Legal checklist to sell 50 square meters. From your 1,533 square meter share and let the buyer get a title. Legal, sell ready, title ready. Phase 1, Rosario Estate, the critical foundation. Status: completed or in progress. Executed the extrajudicial settlement and waiver of rights for the Rosario Estate. Notarization is being verified. However, publication for 3 consecutive weeks is currently missing. Required details include Lot 7835 with 6,132 square meters, all 6 heirs listed, and a waiver in favor of Dominator's heirs. Warning: without publication, ownership is not fully secured against third parties. Phase 2, Dominator Estate, your ownership. Status: pending and must complete. This includes the extrajudicial settlement of Dominator Ortega Verzosa for the 4 heirs, notarization, newspaper publication for Rule 74 compliance, estate tax filing using BIR Form 1801, and the certificate of transfer or clearance if required. The result: you will legally own a 1,533 square meter undivided share. Phase 3, survey and subdivision. Critical for selling 50 square meters. Status: done. The relocation survey of Lot 7835 is complete. What you must do next: obtain an approved subdivision plan from a geodetic engineer, divide the property into 4 lots of 1,533 square meters each, and identify your exact lot. Optional but strongly recommended. Subdivide your 1,533 square meter share into a specific 50 square meter portion and secure a technical description with metes and bounds. Phase 4, tax declaration update. This involves the transfer of the tax declaration from Rosario to the heirs, then to the Dominator heirs, and finally to you. Secure an updated tax declaration under your share. Critical blockers: do not ignore. No publication means weak legal protection. No subdivision means no exact 50 square meter ownership. No technical description means the buyer cannot obtain a title. No completion of the extrajudicial settlement means ownership is incomplete. Current status: you have a strong foundation with the waiver and survey started. You are 60 to 70% legally ready. However, it is not yet sale-safe for title-ready buyers. Phase 5, sale of your 50 square meters. Required documents for the sale include the deed of absolute sale for the portion of land, an approved survey or sketch plan, which is very important, the technical description of the 50 square meters, and notarization. Tax requirements for the seller include capital gains tax or exemption and documentary stamp tax. For the buyer, these include transfer tax, registration fees, and a new tax declaration. Phase 6, buyer title process, the long-term goal. To make the 50 square meters title eligible, you need an approved subdivision plan that is DNR and LRA compliant, a clean chain of ownership through the settlement, waiver, and publication, updated tax declarations, proof of possession or documents, and an application for titling via free patent or judicial process if applicable. The fastest safe path: first, publish the Rosario settlement. Second, finish the Dominator settlement. Third, obtain subdivision approval. Fourth, define the 50 square meter portion. Finally, sell via a notarized deed. Complete each step to secure your rights and help your buyer get a title. Plan ahead. Document right. Own with confidence.
Legal checklist para may benta ang 50 square meters. Mula sa iyong 1,533 square meter na bahagi at para makuha ng bumili ang title.
Legal, handa ibenta, handa SA title.
Yugto 1, Estate ni Rosario, ang mahalagang batayan. Status: natapos o isinasagawa. Naisagawa na ang extrajudicial settlement at waiver of rights para sa estate ni Rosario. Ang notarization ay kinukumpirma na. Subalit, ang publikasyon para sa 3 magkakasunod na linggo ay kulang pa. Kailangang detalye: Lot 7,835 na may 6,132 square meters, lahat ng 6 na tagapagmana, at waiver pabor sa mga tagapagmana ni Dominador. Babala: kung walang publikasyon, hindi pa ganap na nakaseguro ang pagmamay-ari laban sa ikatlong partido. Yugto 2, Estate ni Dominador, ang iyong pagmamay-ari. Status: nakabinbin at dapat kumpletuhin. Kasama rito ang extrajudicial settlement ni Dominador Ortega Verzosa para sa 4 na tagapagmana, notarization, publikasyon sa pahayagan alinsunod sa Rule 74, pagsusumit ng buwis sa estate gamit ang BR Form 1801 at sertipiko ng transfer o clearance kung kinakailangan. Resulta, ikaw ay magiging legal na may-ari ng 1,533 square meter na bahagi. Yugto 3, survey at subdivision, mahalaga sa pagbebenta ng 50 square meters. Status, natapos na. Ang relocation survey ng lot 7,835 ay tapos na. Ang dapat gawin sunod, kumuha ng aprobadong subdivision plan mula sa isang lisensyadong geodetic engineer. Hatiin ang lupa sa 4 na lot na may tig-negatibo 1,533 square meters bawat isa at tukuyin ang iyong eksaktong lot. Optional ngunit lubhang inirerekomenda. Hatiin ang iyong 1,533 square meter na bahagi sa eksaktong 50 square meter na bahagi at kumuha ng technical description o meets and bounds.
Yugto 4. Update SA Tax Declaration.
Ilipat ang tax declaration mula kay Rosario patungo sa mga tagapagmana, pagkatapos ay sa mga tagapagmana ni Dominador, at sa huli ay sa iyo. Kumuha ng updated na tax declaration sa ilalim ng iyong bahagi. Mga mahalagang hadlang, huwag balewalain. Walang publikasyon, mahina ang legal na proteksyon. Walang subdivision, walang eksaktong 50 square meter na pagmamay-ari. Walang technical description, hindi makakakuha ng title ang bumibili. Walang kumpletong settlement, hindi kumpleto ang pagmamay-ari. Kasalukuyang kalagayan, mayroon kang malakas na batayan dahil sa waiver at survey na nagsimula na. Ikaw ay 60 hanggang 70% legal na handa na. Gayunpaman, hindi pa ligtas na ibenta para sa mga bibili na nais ng title. Yugto 5. Pagbebenta ng iyong 50 square meters. Ang mga kinakailangang dokumento para sa pagbebenta ay ang Deed of Absolute Sale para sa bahagi ng lupa, aprobadong survey o sketch plan na napakahalaga, technical description ng 50 square meters, at notarization. Para sa mga buwis, ang nagbebenta ay may capital gains tax o exemption at documentary stamp tax. Ang bumibili naman ay may transfer tax, registration fees, at bagong tax declaration. Yugto 6. Proseso para sa title ng bumibili, ang pangmatagalang layunin. Upang maging eligible ang 50 square meters para sa title, kailangan ng aprobadong subdivision plan na DENR at LRA compliant, malinis na chain of ownership sa pamamagitan ng settlement, waiver, at publikasyon, updated na tax declarations, patunay ng pag-aari o mga dokumento, at aplikasyon para sa titling sa pamamagitan ng free patent o judicial process kung kinakailangan. Ang pinakamabilis at pinakaligtas na paraan. Una, i-publish ang settlement ni Rosario. Pangalawa, kumpletuhin ang settlement ni Dominador. Pangatlo, ipa-aproba ang subdivision. Pang-apat, tukuyin ang 50 square meter na bahagi. At panghuli, ibenta sa pamamagitan ng notarized na deed of sale. Kumpletuhin ang bawat hakbang para maprotektan ang iyong karapatan at matulungan ang bumibili na makuha ang title. Magplano ngayon. Ihanda ang tamang dokumento. Magmay-ari ng may katiyakan.